In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a click to call button in Google Sites. This feature is particularly useful if you want to make it easy for visitors to contact you directly from your website, so let's dive right in. To start off, head over to Elfsight, a platform that provides useful widgets for your site. Once you're on the Elfsight dashboard, look for the Catalog tab. This is your gateway to a vast collection of widgets. Click on it and prepare to explore the varieties available. Next, in the search bar, simply type call. This straightforward search term will help you quickly locate the specific widget we're interested in. When the results appear, look for the click to call option. Go ahead and click on it to see what it offers. You'll soon find yourself at the selection screen where you'll need to choose a template. Select a template that suits your site's style and purpose. Templates can vary greatly in appearance and function, so take a moment to visualize how each option might blend with your current design. After selecting one, just click on Continue with this template to move forward. Now it's time to personalize the widget by editing the phone number. Ensure that you input the correct number, as this is where visitors will reach you directly. This step is essential for proper functionality, so double check your digits before proceeding. Once you're satisfied with the number, click on Publish. This action will make your newly configured widget live, so it can be accessed and used by your site visitors. After publishing, look for a button labeled On Free. Click Select to move forward without any additional costs. The subsequent step involves copying the generated code. Simply click on Copy Code. This code snippet is what you'll embed into your Google site. Now let's shift gears and navigate to your Google site. Once you're in the Google Sites editor, look for an option labeled Embed in the menu. Click on it, as this is where you'll paste the code you copied earlier. When you click Embed, a sub option for Embed Code will appear. Click on this to open a field where you can paste your code. Make sure to paste exactly what you copied in the previous step. This is crucial for the widget to function properly. After pasting, you'll see a button labeled Next. Click on it and a preview of the widget will appear on your screen. This preview is a quick look at how the widget will appear on your site once it's live. Finally, hit Insert to finalize the process. By now, your click to call button should be on your Google site, ready to offer your visitors an easy way to reach you. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy website enhancing!